Make acrylic baby shower sign with Cricut. Step 1. First create your design in cricutdesignspace. Step 2. Once the design is ready, click Make It. Step 3. Select Without Mat and click Confirm, then reposition the design in the Prepare screen and click Continue. Step 4. Select the material, then set the pressure to more. Step 5. Load the material into the machine and start cutting. Step 6. Once it's done cutting, trim off the material, unload it and cut the design into smaller pieces. Step 7. Weed out the design, then remove the protective layer from both sides of the acrylic. Step 8. Position the decals underneath the acrylic and place a parchment paper on top of the acrylic. Step 9. Trace out the design with a pencil on the paper to use as a guide. Step 10. Remove the decals from underneath, then place the traced out parchment paper under the acrylic. Step 11. Grab a strong grip transfer tape and trim off a piece. Step 12. Place the decal on top of the mat and the parchment paper. Step 13. Remove the backing sheet from the transfer tape, place it over the design and smooth it down using a scraper tool. Step 14. Peel off the backing sheet, then place a piece of parchment paper on the acrylic to ensure the placement of the design. Step 15. Once you've aligned the design, remove the parchment paper, adhere the design while using a scraper and then peel off the transfer tape. Step 16. Use the scraper to remove any bubbles and wrinkles. Step 17. Repeat the same steps to apply the rest of the design. Step 18. Once you're done transferring all the pieces, create a custom acrylic paint mix. Step 19. Apply it to the back using a brush. Step 20. Apply as many layers as required, then dry it using a hair dryer. Step 21. Apply more coatings if required. Step 22. Your baby shower sign is ready. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.